Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 14. Chapter 32. Ordering food at a restaurant. Could I please see the menu? What do you recommend? What are the specials of the day? I'll have the lasagna. Can I get the burger with no onions? How spicy is the chicken curry? Is the mushroom risotto gluten-free? Could I have some water, please? Can we start with an appetizer? How long will the food take to arrive? I'm allergic to peanuts. Is there any in this pad thai dish? Could I have some bread with the meal? Can I have a refill on my drink? Is there a dessert menu? Could we have the check, please? Can we split the bill? How much does the steak dinner cost? That was delicious, thank you. Could I get a to-go box? Do you offer takeout? Chapter 33. Complaining about bad service at a restaurant. I'm sorry, but our order seems to be taking a long time. Excuse me, but I think we were forgotten about. I ordered beef steak but received salmon salad. Could you please fix this? We've been waiting for a while. Is there a problem with our order? The food is cold. Could you please heat it up? I'm sorry to say this, but the service has been very slow. We've been waiting a long time. Can you please check on our order? The steak is overcooked. Can you please fix it? The food doesn't taste fresh. Could you please replace it? I'm sorry, but the dish is not what I was expecting. Our waiter has not been checking on us. Could you please send someone else? I ordered a drink a while ago and still haven't received it. There's a problem with the bill. Could you please explain it to me? The food is too salty. Could you please adjust the seasoning? I'm sorry, but the dish is not hot enough. Our table is very dirty. Could you please clean it? The portion size is very small for the price. We asked for 2 steaks, but it was not brought to us. I'm sorry, but the service has not met our expectations. Could we please speak to the manager? I'm afraid we won't be able to leave a positive review due to these issues.